It's your boy again, carpet cleaning trainer with JD, but today we're doing pressure washing. Yo, people, man, don't burn yourself, man. I burned myself leaning on the stupid pressure washer.
Yes, family, we're doing this rooftop.
Right. So this little rooftop metal rooftop, I gotta hit it from different angles. All right. Um, it was a little bit stubborn, you know. I definitely made sure I sprayed my degreaser, let it sit for a while, 5 minutes, and then that's when I went ahead and got the pressure washer, rock and rolling, to this day, I still need to get an extension pole, and I also need to get that turbo nozzle tip. Man, I went into Home Depot. That thing was $64, man. I'm like, what? Just for the turbo connection? That's the connection that makes the pressure washer spin around. All right, forces the jet to spin around so you have a motion to where you could hit different angles. All right. Peace and love, family. So yeah, if you're in the Orlando area, and the surrounding, and you need, pressure washing done, driveways done, guess what? Give me a call, all right? My number is 407-907-8988. Give that number a call or leave a text message, all right? And we'll definitely make sure your property looks enhanced, man. You cannot have your property looking like crap. This is the time to make sure that your home, your gate, your walls, your driveway look presentable. Houses are going for big money. All right? This has never been ever before in the history of the United States of America, how these home prices have been going up. So what you want to do is to have somebody like me come by, pressure wash your driveway, pressure wash your house, make sure it's presentable so somebody could give you that right, perfect offer. These are some of the small things that you have to do.